Hello my friends, how you all doing? In today's video I'm gonna show you a very unusual product. Well, I should say it's a usual product but in a very unusual packaging. What I have here is a socks in a can, and I have both for men and for ladies. I think it's pretty unique product. Socks in a can, that's crazy. They make this in Belarus, it's actually the country I came from. Each of these can costs almost 3.5 Belarusian rubles, which is $1.60. That's not too bad. So it's just like a regular can, except it's not food in there, but socks. And looks like they just open like this. You snap the top lid and open it up like a regular can. And I was checking and see if there's any expiration on it, but it doesn't look like they actually have any expiration dates. And they all have sizes. It says here, for example, 40 to 41. And this one is the same, 40 to 41. And the one for females, it actually says here, it's 38 to 39. And over here they tell what they made of and what color and stuff like this. This one, it says it's cherry color. This one is color blue, and this one you would think it's color red, but it's actually gray. Well, let's open them up and see what they're all about. I like that it opens like a real can. That's pretty cool. Check this out. Gray socks. How crazy is that? Socks from the can. They smell fresh. And there is nothing else here in the can, just socks. No liquid, nothing, just dry socks, as you can see. Check this out. Let's open this one up. Look at that. Like they say here, it's blue socks. Same thing, dry blue socks. Size-wise, it should be actually perfect for me. And this one's for ladies. It says here cherry color. Well, let's see. Yep, looks like it's cherry color right there. Ooh, there's something there. Some kind of a picture on them. Oh, it's actually the same picture as this one here. A little heart, except it's on the side of the sock. As you can see, part is here and part is there. Like on the side of the sock. That's pretty cool. The same thing, nothing is in here, just dry socks. Well, there you go, socks in a can. I'm not sure why they come up with this packaging. Maybe just to protect socks so they would not be destroyed and would be protected by metal can. I don't know, maybe. But I still think it's a pretty cool idea. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos and I'll see you next time.